perched gracefully on the sloping terrain of the Santa Lucia Preserve. The Winged Retreat by Aidlin Darling Design is a masterful blend of architecture and nature. Set within the rolling Carmel Valley hills, this home emerges as a tranquil sanctuary, deeply rooted in a community that treasures the preservation of natural and scenic resources. The ecological setting of the preserve, with its emphasis on harmonizing with the environment, acts as a guiding principle for the design, ensuring that every element of the house responds to its surroundings in a thoughtful and respectful manner. The architectural form of the home is divided into two distinct wings, oriented along a north-south axis. This deliberate positioning serves as a sustainable design strategy that passively regulates the interior environment, optimizing thermal comfort throughout the year. The southern facade, clad primarily in solid walls, acts as a protective shield against the intense summer sun, preventing direct solar heat from entering the building. Meanwhile, clear-story windows positioned high on the walls allow the soft, warming rays of the winter sun to filter into the space. The overhanging eaves cast a gentle shadow, diffusing daylight year-round and creating a dynamic interplay of light and shadow within the home. On the western side of the retreat, expansive glass facades open up to the breathtaking vistas of the surrounding hillsides. The views, framed like living paintings, bring the beauty of the outdoors into the heart of the home. To prevent the harsh summer sun from overheating the interiors, deep cantilevered eaves extend outward, blocking solar gain while maintaining unobstructed sightlines. Wooden decks extend from the western ends of the home, creating outdoor living spaces that are sheltered by these architectural overhangs, offering residents the opportunity to immerse themselves in the natural landscape while enjoying protection from the elements. Anchoring the home to the rugged landscape are monolithic walls crafted from board-form concrete and integrally colored plaster. These sturdy materials not only provide structural stability but also establish a sense of permanence and grounding. In contrast, the use of glass and natural materials such as cedar siding, walnut flooring, and oak decking introduces an element of lightness, creating a delicate balance between solidity and transparency. This interplay of materials reinforces the home's connection to the landscape, fostering a serene and harmonious living environment. The master bedroom exemplifies the home's seamless integration of indoor and outdoor environments. Equipped with operable louvers, the room offers a versatile solution for controlling sunlight, privacy, and even sleep conditions. These louvers provide graduated shading in the late afternoon, filtering light gently into the space. At night, they can be fully closed to achieve total blackout, ensuring a restful night's sleep. This thoughtful design consideration allows the inhabitants to remain connected to the rhythms of the natural world, even while inside. One of the most distinctive aspects of the winged retreat is its roof, which, at first glance, appears to be a simple shed roof, a form inspired by the agrarian structures found in the region. However, the interior tells a different story. From within, the underside of the roof reveals a sculpted design, shaped in response to both the movement of the sun and the spatial needs of the interior. This dual functionality, both humble and elegant, speaks to the architect's deep understanding of context and performance, ensuring that the roof serves not only as a protective cover, but also as a key element in shaping the experience of the home. Ultimately, the winged retreat is a testament to Aidlin Darling Design's commitment to creating architecture that is deeply responsive to its environment. By embracing passive design strategies, carefully selecting materials, and blurring the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces, the home offers its inhabitants a profound connection to the landscape while providing comfort and protection. In this quiet retreat, architecture and nature coalesce into a harmonious whole, where the beauty of the natural world is not merely observed but lived.